How to fix broken cooker knobs. So this is a Hotpoint DHS53CX. It's probably quite common for a lot of different cookers and ovens. So what happens is your knobs are basically no longer operating the temperature control, and it's because the plastic splits. And it's accentuated by the fact that you have hot air exiting out of here, which softens the plastic. As you can see here, I've done a repair probably about a year ago. Put a cable tie around the end just to tie those pieces of plastic together. But because of the heat, the cable tie is softened up and it's failed again. This one also tried putting some polymer sealant around as well, but that still failed eventually. So this time I'm going to do a better fix and I'll show you how to do it. So basically the quick, much better fix I'm going to do is to fill the cavity of the knob with some car body filler, which is quite heat resistant, won't shrink or soften up due to the action from the heat from the oven. And because it won't compress, that should hold the beaten pieces of broken plastic in place. So on one of them I've just held the broken bits of plastic temporarily with a bit of super glue. On the other one I've got a cable tie just to hold that in place, and then we'll mix up our filler with the hardener. Got some masking tape around the knob to stop it making a mess at the outside, and then just fill the inside. So there's all our filler mixed up, lots of hardener, ratio according to what they say, plus a little bit extra, and there's our knob on both of them, filled with the car filler, just about flat on the bottom. A bit of a mess around the side, but before it fully hardens we'll pull off the tape and then that should be job done. So I think we'll leave it a day to make sure it's absolutely fully hardened and then try refitting it on the oven. And in fact only about 10 minutes later the filler went rock hard. You can tell when it's starting to go off because it starts getting quite warm. So if you haven't quite finished your job and you can feel a bit of warmth, get your filler in quick. So there we are. From the outside you won't really be able to see any filler. Let's just see if they fit and work. That's that one on. And that one. And now here's the test. Yep, that works fine. Can now use the oven. Good job. Okay, if you want to do that, then good luck with yours. If you want to buy new ones, then good luck with trying to find those as well. But if you want a quick fix, probably only took me about a quarter of an hour total, maybe less, then that's the way to fix your knobs on any kitchen appliance or any other appliance. Okay, thanks for watching. Cheers, bye.